Hey you guys, it's Nina back with another video. Today's video is a quick tutorial about how I use my apple cider vinegar rinse to my scalp. I'm actually going to have some Fulani braids installed in my hair tomorrow. So I just wanted to show you guys how I prep my hair prior to installing my braids. You know, apple cider vinegar rinse is really good for exfoliating your scalp and regulating your pH balance as well as other plethora of different benefits that it provides for not only your hair but for your body overall. I just wanted to show my scalp a extra TLC. I've been getting a lot of questions about how to use it, what to apply it. I apply the apple cider vinegar rinse prior to me washing my hair. So I apply it really well to my scalp, liberally. Then I massage it and then I throw the shower cap over my hair. I usually leave it in for about 15 to 20 minutes prior to me washing my hair. So this is just a quick tutorial, and I promise you guys I'm gonna get these angles a little bit better, but I hope you can see, my scalp and how I'm applying it. So until then, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Please like, subscribe, share this content, and until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Lord's will. What's happening? Peace.